Hi everyone, my name is Rajat. I'm basically from Jaipur. From past few years, I was feeling severe pain in my right hip joint. I consulted to several orthopedic surgeons in the city, and someone recommended me about Dr. Rohan Bhargava. So I work quite near to this hospital. I reached out to him. Post visiting him, his behavior was very nice. He explained me the actual position of my hip. He explained me the process of treatment. He explained how things will change after this treatment. Since this was a big decision to take, I reached out to him again, this time with my father. He explained things again to us, and it was very nice, and his word was quite comforting. So we decided to get my hip operated. On 11th of May, we came into hospital. Prior to that, all the pre-hospitalization things, which was pre-approved for insurance, was already taken care of by hospital. So the cashless part was done there. We came here, we met the doctor. The admission process was quite smooth. Later on the next day, in very detail, I was explained about the process of operation, everything, what would gonna happen. So in operation theaters, things were very well managed. Team was there. It was explained to me when a needle is getting into my body and every single thing. The operation was completed. The severe part was after the operation when I was shifted to ICU. So the pain, everyone can understand, the pain after the operation was very high. But the nursing team and the doctor's team was very well prepared for it. I was duly taken care of. The pain was getting into control. Later, I got shifted to my room.
Hello, I'm Dr. Rohan Bhargava, Joint Replacement Specialist at Bombay Hospital Jaipur. So, Mr. Sharma, 33-year-old gentleman, had presented to us with severe pain in his right hip and he had difficulty in walking and climbing stairs. Basically, his day-to-day activities were hampered. The reason for this pain was something known as avascular necrosis or AVN of the hip, which can affect young people as well, and it is caused by reduced flow of blood to the head of the femur or the top of the thigh bone. So now this can also occur in patients who had received steroid treatment as part of the treatment for COVID, or if they have taken steroid for any other condition such as asthma. So in his case, his pain was not improving with medicines and physiotherapy. So we offered him total hip replacement. So we at Bombay Hospital, we use the latest equipment and the internationally acclaimed ERAS protocols such that he was made to stand and walk the next day of the surgery with minimal blood loss such that no blood transfusion was required. So if you or any of your known people are suffering from such hip or knee pain, then I would like to convey this message that in majority of the cases, it is completely solvable such that we can improve your quality of life. Thank you.
My room was also very nice and hygiene was also taken care of. And the meal here and everything, the cleanliness, everything was very good. Again, when I felt the pain, the team was there to deal it and situation got into control. Now today I'm getting discharged and my physio team has also worked very well with me. They started me taking out of the bed and started getting me moved. So I'm feeling pretty well here, and I recommend people, in case if they are feeling something like this, Dr. Rohan Bhargava is the go-to person. Bombay Hospital is very nice for it. Thank you.